Tactic 1. Imagine the future. Visualization is a powerful tool for becoming a great chef. However, it's not enough to simply picture yourself succeeding. You need to infuse your visualization with emotions. Imagine the future in vivid detail, incorporating the feelings of accomplishment and joy that come with reaching your culinary goals. This emotional connection will motivate and inspire you to take action, even when faced with challenges. For instance, don't just visualize creating a perfect dish. Feel the pride and satisfaction when diners praise your food. Don't just picture yourself in a high-end kitchen. Experience the excitement of mastering new techniques and seeing your skills improve. By connecting deeply with these emotions, you create a stronger commitment to your goals, making it more likely that you will turn your vision into reality. This emotional drive provides the energy and determination needed to succeed as a chef. Tactic 2. Have a reason for your goal. Having a clear reason for wanting to become a great chef is crucial. Without a strong why, it's easy to lose motivation. Ask yourself why you want to improve your culinary skills. Maybe you want to open your own restaurant, impress friends and family, or simply have a passion for creating delicious food. By understanding your underlying motivation, you'll find it easier to stay focused and overcome procrastination. When you feel lazy or unmotivated, remind yourself of your reasons. This will help reignite your passion and keep you moving towards your goal. Tactic 3. Consume the right information. To become a skilled chef, you need to immerse yourself in culinary knowledge. The more you learn about cooking techniques, ingredients, and cuisines, the more confident and capable you'll become in the kitchen. Watch cooking shows, read culinary books and articles, and follow chefs who inspire you on social media. By continually feeding your brain with relevant information, you'll increase your chances of taking action and achieving your culinary goals. Tactic 4. Have the right habit. Developing the right habits is essential for becoming a successful chef. Habits shape your daily actions and can either support or hinder your progress. Identify habits that align with your culinary objectives, such as practicing knife skills daily, experimenting with new recipes, or consistently seeking feedback on your dishes. Make a conscious effort to establish and maintain these positive habits. Consistency and persistence are key. Stick with your habits even when they become challenging, as they will help you build the foundation needed to achieve your goals and excel in your culinary career. Tactic 5. Have KPI for your goals. Key performance indicators, KPIs, can help you measure your progress and stay focused on your culinary goals. Track your KPIs regularly to ensure you're making progress and adjust your strategies as needed. Set clear and achievable targets, break down larger tasks into manageable steps, and create a supportive environment to keep yourself on track. Use tools like spreadsheets, dashboards, or cooking journals to collect and analyze data on your performance. Evaluate your results by comparing them to your targets and take action based on your findings. By continually monitoring and adjusting your approach, you'll increase your chances of success and become a better chef.